we're going to talk about Bitcoin. Now, what I want to get into first is Bitcoin on the weekly time frame. So I've been pointing this out. Bitcoin dropped below the 55 EMA back on the week of November 10th, and since then we've pretty much just been going sideways between roughly like $87,000 and basically resistance at around 96.5 thousand. Now, today we are seeing a nice push up in the price of Bitcoin, and we're just about to actually test the 55 EMA weekly. So, is it going to be the key resistance to beat? So that's what I'm watching for on the weekly time frame. Now let's go down to the daily or up. Oh, no, yeah, down. I mean, down to the daily. So on the daily time frame, this is a very, very constructive chart. So you can see here, Bitcoin has been like trading in this range between like 86,000 and roughly 93,000. And right now we are having a nice break above this horizontal resistance. And we're also having a break above 55 EMA. So I really like the confluence here. I think this could be a high conviction trade for me. So I'm going to put Bitcoin on my watch list here. Yeah, so watching the daily close, I mean, if it closes above 93,876, then I think this could be a solid trade to the long side here. So what about the Bitcoin futures? Yeah, Bitcoin CME futures are also pointing up, so quite interesting. Yeah, the only thing is with the Bitcoin CME futures that we are facing resistance at around the $94,820 levels. That could be the only problem there. But yeah, Bitcoin, I think the picture is pretty clear here. Let's go on to some of the other coins. Let's see what we've got. See what we've got going on here. Let me switch to a different indicator template. Okay. So ICP looks pretty interesting here. Slightly overextended, but this could be a good candidate for a move to the upside. So I'll keep this on my radar. Data, good impulsive move, but we still need to take out the high from last Monday. See, dot. Dot is looking decent, I would say. I really wanted to take out this high, 2.235. If it can do that, then I think we can take this to the upside. So I'll put this on my watch list actually as well. And Rune below the 55, not interested. Solana below the 55, not interested. Ethereum Classic trading below the 55 EMA, so I'm not too interested there as well. ADA looking okay here. Well, no, not really. Trading below the 55 didn't take out its previous high. Neo, not too great. XTZ, XMR looking great here. Blue Sky Breakout, XMR trading at $666. That's pretty good. Algo. Nah, like trading, stop finding resistance at the 55, fully same thing. Filecoin, same thing. Atom, it's okay here, but Yeah, it looks a bit topped out here for now. Cake. Yeah, nothing special. Below 55, below 55. B&B looks good. Yeah, I like how B&B looks like here. Yeah, this would be a classic continuation signal. Let's see. Yeah, so I like B&B here. Let's add this to the watch list. Yeah, like I said, BTC looks good. It's not as great. H bar not too good. TRX as well, looking amazing. Yeah, so that's the top. It's the top 20. Top 20 coins. And yeah, let's take a look at some, I guess, on-chain metrics. And just give me 1 second, guys. Let me check one thing over here. Yeah, okay, let's go over some on-chain metrics here for Bitcoin. Let's take a look at Bitcoin exchange balance first of all. Yeah. Wow. It's interesting to see how much Bitcoin each exchange is holding. That's pretty interesting. But anyway, what we can see here is that Bitcoin balance continues to decrease, which is, what I've been saying is that institutions have been accumulating around here. That is definitely a positive sign. Oh, sorry. I had to switch my view. So anyway, yeah, I was showing that Bitcoin balance on exchanges is going down while the price has been going down, which means institutions have been accumulating here. So that is definitely a good thing. Let's take a look at see what else. Heat map. Yeah. Take a look at liquidation levels. Hmm. Like what they did with this. I like this better. Yes, liquidation heat map shows, yeah, basically a strong pocket of liquidity at around 90,000. And then we have some short liquidity sitting at around 96, 700. So if you can get above there, then the price of Bitcoin is probably likely to push through all the way up to 100K. So I do think it's possible that we will actually, it might actually go to, you know, say the odds are like, well, Bitcoin 94,000, 40%, give it a 40% chance that Bitcoin could go up to 50, I mean, not 50, 100K. So take a look at open interest now. All right, open interest. And it's still elevated, but it has gone down just a bit. Wait, yeah, it's interesting. And the price. Oh, this is. Hold on. Yeah, open interest is not that high. This is the only thing that, open interest has stayed the same while the price of Bitcoin has gone up. So that means, let's take a closer look here. Yeah, open interest is kind of just going sideways here. But I think this data isn't up to date, so let's wait until we get an updated view on this. see, is there anything else interesting that we can take a look at? Oh, yeah, let's look at funding rates. Funding rates right now. Oh, they're actually negative. That's interesting. So this tells me that people are shorting this movement. That would give more fuel to the fire here. Yeah, actually, I'm more confident about this Bitcoin long. I'm gonna post it later. And what is the Nasdaq doing? Okay, Nasdaq still hasn't taken out its all-time highs. Let's see. SP 500. US 500. Uh, yeah, still in at all-time highs. So yeah, I like the way it looks. So yeah, guys, I think that covers Bitcoin, and yeah, I think Bitcoin has a good chance of hitting 100K. So I will end it for now, and yeah, let's continue this